There you go. You think it's ready? Okay, I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna move it back over for you, okay? Alrighty. Now the first thing, you wanna come on the side and put yours in the water? The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a protein, okay? So you have shrimp, tofu, chicken, and pepperoni. Which one do you want? This one? Alright, take a couple pieces, okay? Little goes a long way. You wanna grab it gently and you wanna flip it over, okay? Yeah? What's next on the list? You're gonna take it and we'll flip it over one more time. There you go.
Sushi rice.
We don't have the sushi rice. What's after that? Okay, you gotta choose some veggies, okay?
Okay, my turn.
Yeah, you gotta come over here. So we have carrots and we have all of these. Seen, okay? Yeah, just stick it in.
What's a protein?
Push it down. So there's shrimp, tofu, chicken, and pepperoni. It's one of these four. You see?
Mine.
You wanna pick the pepperoni?
Yeah.
Okay, just a couple, okay? Yeah, you pick it up and you flip it over and you push it back down. Yeah, so we're making sushi Asian wraps over Asian wraps, they're not called sushi wraps. So we don't have any of the sushi rice with us, but we're basically putting it in the water. We're choosing a protein and then a vegetable. And they also have the option of putting, I don't know where the lettuce went, so I guess there's no more lettuce. Yeah, I'm gonna move it back. This is the wrap. I don't know the exact name of it, but it's the wrap that the kids are using to put everything in there. I'm gonna move it that way. All right.
So is it almost like a spring roll?
Yeah, it's kind of basically like a spring roll almost. And we had tons of different sauces for them to dip it in. Yeah, it is, isn't it? And then basically once they put everything in there, they get to cut it, put it in a bowl, go over there and eat it and try it out. We try and get them to take at least one bite out of it to see if they like it.
Today, like right now?
Yeah, like right now.
Oh, cool. It doesn't,
Right, you want to take it and flip it over?
it doesn't take long to like.
Oh, no, not at all. Stick it in. Which one do you want?
Don't take too many. Can it just come right? That's way too many.
And we've got the shrimp, we've got the pepperoni. There you go. All right, you want to press it in?
So that's good, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah? I don't know where the lettuce is right now.
What if I just ate that?
No?
Yeah, I need some more lettuce. Okay, now what do I do with it?
Okay, now you want to choose a protein. So these are the options. Which one do you want?
There's soups.
I'm going to stay over here.
Do I have to have them?
Kind of. Just a little bit.
Just like pepperoni.
Oh,
Pick it up.
chicken and tofu. How about we do a little bit of chicken, yeah? And grab a little bit of pieces and put it right in the middle, okay? Just a little bit. All right, you ready? Now, something to do once it gets really sticky is to, you guys, something to do once it gets really sticky is to stick your fingers back in, so that way it kind of acts like an oil and it'll pick it up for you, okay? Just a little bit. You don't want to splash anybody too much. All right, just your fingers. There you go. You want to work fast though, so you don't want it to stick back up. No, it shouldn't be. You can just pick it up like this. See?
You have nails.
My nails make it harder, if anything. See, just like that. You see?
Okay,
yourself.
nails make it easier.
Yeah, take a little bit of lettuce.
Can I have a little bit of lettuce?
For sure, grab some. There you go.
They didn't have as much time.
All right, you got it? You gonna go try it? All right, you wanna try and get everything in the bowl?
A little bit more lettuce.
A little bit. And then after that, you're gonna start folding it in, okay? You're gonna fold it like a burrito. Don't do that. Okay, you wanna start folding it in? Like a burrito? You just gotta do your best. Do you wanna stick your fingers in some of the water so that way it's not as sticky? Okay, go do that really.
Like tell
me how you made it.
I did this in water.
Okay.
I put what's this called?
Cucumber.
I put cucumber, pepperoni, chicken. What are the noodles? Shrimp. What are the noodles called?
Cellophane. Clear noodles.
Cellophane noodles. And also, yeah, that's it. Now she's gonna talk about hers if she didn't have food in her mouth.
Now, did you have trouble wrapping it up?
Yeah.
And what kind of trouble did you have?
It kept sticking to me, and pieces of it kind of ripped. Mine didn't rip. Thanks. Thanks.
Now, did you think it was interesting that you could see through it?
Yes.
Okay, and how did that make you feel before you ate it?
I could like see all the yummy
It sticks
stuff.
like to the top of your mouth.
Okay.
It does. Like you
Now-
have to like use your tongue to
now,
like
do
get
you-
it
Okay, now do you think you put too much in it or too little in it?
too much.
Okay, and why? What happens when you put too much in something?
It kind of like it's a bit big, and then it like kind of rips a bit. Like this one, it's kind of ripping. Like right here, it's kind of ripping.
So I put chicken,
Stuff,
cucumbers, noodles, and
stuff.
what? Stop what? I like chicken.
Okay,
And it look yummies.
what else did you put in there?
That's all I put.
Okay, you have cucumbers in there too. And what made you choose cucumbers?
I like cucumbers.
And
Okay,
they're
why?
yummies.
Why do you like cucumbers? They're crunchy.
They're healthy.
They're
Okay.
crunchy, they're healthy, and they're nummy.
Wow. I put mostly pepperoni and chicken because I like meat.
Okay.
I put a couple carrots because that was like the only vegetable that I've ever tried and liked.
Oh wow. Okay.
That was there.
Now, when you bit into it and you had a carrot in there, what is the carrot for? How did it feel?
The carrot's a bit dry.
Okay.
You got
Crunchy?
yeah, kinda. It's just carrots. I don't really have much to say about the carrots. They're dry and country. I don't know why they're so dry,
Okay.
but I put them in there because why not? I'm gonna have to go with probably dipping it in the bowl because it was very like satisfying.
Okay.
You know, to feel it kind of become soft, you know? Well, if there was nice, fresh, juicy carrots, then I might add like 2. And I added like 4 carrots, so that was a bit of a mistake. Well, I was just thinking about what I liked and not what I wanted. Because like, if I wanted shrimp, but then I noticed that I didn't like shrimp.
Okay.
So the noodles, carrots, and pepperoni, and some lettuce. I couldn't really feel anything because my fingers were glued to it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tell me about it.
I would take out the pepperoni and the carrots
Okay, why?
because the carrots were just hard to chew in the wrap, and I kept on biting on my wiggly tooth.